Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of how to guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you fix if your WhatsApp is not loading the pictures. Now, before going into the solutions, the first you need to know the reason for the problem. If the picture you're trying to load into your WhatsApp chat is old, it is probably be deleted. In this case, you have to tell the sender to send the picture again because there is no way to load the picture if this already deleted from your chats. Now the second reason might be the internet connection. Now to check if your internet connection is properly connected or not, just simply go to any of your browser and search fast.com into your device, and into there you will find the speed of your internet connection. If your internet connection speed is correct, then this is not the issue. But if you find your internet connection is not connected properly, that might be the reason. Fix your internet connection and try downloading the picture again, then it will probably load properly. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.